Hello and welcome to our project, Automatic Classifying Satellite Image and Detecting Area Web Service. This project is possible by cooperating with Plus IT Solution and Asst Robotics. The AI works is created by Asst Robotics, so it's not in our scope of work. This project has passed to the final round of NIA Space Tech Program 2021 and won the competition with the first place. In the past few years, Thailand has met many unexpected events from the natural disasters. For example, flooding in Ubon Ratchathani in 2019. The cost of loss is over billion of baht. With the slow actions from government to respond for helping pan and support pan make it even worse. The suffering and loss are spreading wider over the time. Why is that? Because the current solution we have is not effective enough. The government can't collect the information fast enough due to the solution specifications. It needed very large team to explore on site and needed labor to do hard works, causes exhaustion and delay. The victim themselves has to wait for the news for supporting because the news is the only platform we have right now. The current solution has multiple disadvantages. It is hard to monitor because the low protocol and many information formats make it harder to summarize. It is slow, which is very important because it leads to the most critical problem, how to make response plans. Our team have an idea to create the Insight platform of land monitoring. This is how it works. We have four ideas for our project. Number one is to use AI to classify area from the satellite image for the best accuracy and speed compared to humans. The second idea is our project will be simple to use. Our system will generate APIs which are easy, not too complex, and flexible enough for everyone to use. The third is the system will create reports and generate dynamic dashboard for humans to observe. The last is auto event detection. This is not yet implemented on our project right now, but it is our ultimate goal for the future work. The flow of our project is simple. We will download the image from the satellite, then the system will prepare the image by copying the unwanted area and convert into the better format. Then send it to the AI to process. Once the results was sent back to our main system, it will record to the database and the dashboard will generate visualizations from that data. At the end of the day, the system will create daily report. This is the area of interest, or AOI in short, of Ubon Ratchathani. It is a raw image with the regular color. And this is the same AOI, but with the AOI processed by the AI. The area will be separated into different colors, referred to the different area classes. What you see right now is the difference of two AOIs of Ubon Ratchathani when it was flooded and another is when it was normal. You can barely see that the water had covered some of the resident area and agriculture area. Now, let's see when we send this to the AI. We can obviously see that the blue area which is stand for the water class is spreading all over the place. Besides process the image, the AI send the statistic data as well. Now, if we know this data when the event occurred, we will have multiple options for support plans immediately. For example, we can know that before and after flooding, how many areas were flooded by calculate the changing of water class. We can even know that what types of area are flooded, like agriculture were flooded up to 50 square kilometers, and the city were flooded by 10 kilometers. Now, with this information, we can make some plan like notify to 3 districts that may or risk of flooding, or we can prepare the plan for farmer to support them because the information tells that the agriculture area were heavily destroyed, and we can prepare temporary residence for the families calculated by the density of people of the area. Let's take a look at our dashboard. This is the dashboard of Ubon Ratchathani AOI. The first one right here is the time series of area of an AOI. In the third period, we can see the water class goes rising up higher than any period of time. By investigating its dashboard, we can estimate the flooding from the data we have. Another visualization is also about ratio of the area in different graph types. This is our future plan. Right now, we list the image from only one satellite, which is the geosatellite type. Its mission is mainly focused on information of land, but around the Earth, we have many types of satellite and many mission targets. We are planning on get into those different informations. If we wanted to implement the thermal sensing data, we can classify the fire forest. Our solution gives better insight, better planning, and fast execution, which can save time, cost, and lives. Our business plan, we will plan for the AOI analysis service to analyze land and AOI for event detection and its impact. And we will customize our platform to the customer business as much as possible. And we have dashboard and suggestion to sell as the big data. Our market and customers. We target the government units like Department of Forest, Department of Water Resources, Department of Meteorological, and even the space tech unit like GISDA. And the private company is also in our target group as well. The insurance company can easier estimate the cost to pay from the information we have, and the real estate can make the decision for the mega project by investigating the growth of people in each area. Technology for life. We use better technology to improve and comfort our daily life. Thank you.